Hello and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets. For Tuesday the 8th of July, I'm going to look at Eurodollar now. And a slight amount of support has come in for Eurodollar in the last 24 hours. And that has once again come around this 35.85 support low, which is interesting. Posted a low exactly at 35.74 on my chart, which was the same low that he had about a week or so ago in late June. And is this the bulls coming into support? Well, I'm not sure. I think it's just a bit of brief respite that we're going to get before further selling pressure. If you look at these momentum indicators, they're all pretty negative. Stochastics consistently falling away. MACD lines turning over underneath neutral, and RSI also still in fairly negative configuration. Nothing really positive to talk about on the momentum side anyway. And if you look, you've already got trading towards the low of the day anyway today. If you've go on the intraday chart, this is the hourly chart. Zoom back a little bit, you can see this band of support that continues to come in around 35.85, just a little bit of dips below there, but you'd still say that is the key area where the support starts to come in. You'd probably say there's a band of support, I suppose, if you were going to get really accurate on it, 35.74 up to 35.85. So that is the sort of area that you need to hold, I think, if you're a Euro bull, because that would certainly protect from these low 135 area. Certainly 135.40 is probably the next real support that comes in, and then you're back in towards 135 big figure area. So some downside possibly there. And in terms of, as I said, what we're seeing in on the support, I don't see it travelling all that far. You've got this 200-hour moving average that's now fallen over. That's the final moving average that's in decline, so that would suggest they're all pretty much in bearish configuration. These momentum indicators not doing a great deal. In fact, the RSI has already turned over, given a cross signal. Sorry, the MACD lines have already turned over and given us a crossover sell signal. Stochastics fairly strongly in decline as well now, so it looks like the selling pressure as this European session is getting going is beginning to ramp up on the euro, and I think there's going to have another test of this key support area, and it looks like it could be today. Maybe well be the day that it gets broken. I think, as I said, I think that yesterday's support that came in is just a brief respite before further selling pressure. So that's my outlook on the euro. I think the economic data that's come out today, certainly the German trade data, is not going to help. Not going to help the euro, especially with the lack of real confidence. I think that will provide the German economy, and I think that's going to put downside pressure on it. Now it just depends possibly on. The Fed's Stochastics tonight speaking, which could have an impact on euro dollar. Certainly, if he remains staunchly dovish, then that could create a bit of a euro rally on this chart. But we'll wait and see how that one pans out. But at the moment, the euro is under pressure in early trading today, and I think that's likely to continue. Okay, thank you very much for listening, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.